Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In the fast-paced world of today, where our devices have become indispensable companions, there's one thing we all crave: speed. Whether it's your smartphone, tablet, or any other gadget that relies on a steady stream of power, having the right charging cable can make all the difference. The market is flooded with a myriad of options, but when it comes to quickly juicing up your devices, not all cables are created equal. That's why we've compiled a list of the top 5 best fast charging cables. These cables have been rigorously tested and reviewed by tech enthusiasts and experts alike, ensuring that you can keep your devices powered up swiftly and efficiently. So, if you're tired of waiting around for your gadgets to charge, read on to discover the cables that will supercharge your charging experience. Number 5. Baseus Data Cable. The first thing that caught my attention was the exceptional build quality of the Baseus data cable. The connectors on both ends are solid and feel durable. The cable itself is thick and seems resistant to wear and tear, ensuring longevity. I appreciate the attention to detail, which gives me confidence that this cable will withstand daily use without any issues. One of the standout features of this cable is its impressive charging capabilities. With a maximum current of 5A, it delivers a rapid and efficient charge to my devices. Whether I'm charging my smartphone, tablet, or other USB Type-C compatible gadgets, I've noticed a significant reduction in charging time. It's perfect for those moments when you need a quick top-up before heading out. The Baseus data cable's Type-C connectors on both ends make it incredibly versatile. It works seamlessly with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, laptops, and accessories. I appreciate not having to search for different cables for various devices, as this one cable covers all my needs. Number 4. OUIO Data Cable. The OUIO data cable is built to last. The combination of aluminum alloy and nylon braided wire not only makes it durable, but also adds a premium feel to it. It doesn't tangle easily, and the connectors are robust, ensuring longevity. With a maximum current of 5A, this cable is a true powerhouse when it comes to charging. It can handle a wide range of devices, from gaming laptops to smartphones, and even the power-hungry PS5. I never have to worry about slow charging again, as it delivers power efficiently and quickly. Apart from charging, this cable also supports data sync. Whether I'm transferring files between my MacBook Pro 2021 or iPad Pro or backing up data from my Samsung S22, it gets the job done without any hiccups. The data transfer speed is impressive, and I appreciate the convenience of a single cable for both charging and data transfer. Number 3. TRANGJAN Data Cable. The USB 4 Type-C fast charging cable lives up to its name when it comes to charging speed. It supports fast charging, and I've noticed a significant decrease in charging time for my devices compared to my previous cables. Whether it's my smartphone, tablet, or even my VR headset, this cable delivers a consistent and rapid charge. It's reassuring to know that I can juice up my devices quickly, especially when I'm in a hurry. One of the standout features of this cable is its wide range of compatibility. I've used it with mobile devices, computers, IP cameras, VR Arkansas glasses, set-top boxes, and even a robot without any issues. The USB 3.1 Type-C interface ensures a seamless connection, and I appreciate not having to search for multiple cables for different devices. The build quality of the TRANGJAN cable is top-notch. The cable itself feels sturdy and well-constructed, and the connectors are robust and securely attached. I've been using this cable for a while now, and it shows no signs of wear and tear. The cables package also includes a neat bundle that helps with cable management and prevents tangles, which is a thoughtful addition. Number 2. VOLTME Data Cable. The VOLTME data cable boasts a Type-C to Type-C connection, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you need to charge your smartphone, tablet, or even connect your Type-C laptop, this cable has got you covered. With a maximum current of 3A, this cable delivers blazing fast charging speeds. It's a game changer for those moments when you're in a rush and need to power up your devices quickly. Say goodbye to long waits for your gadgets to charge. One of the standout features of this cable is its compatibility with Android devices. Whether you're using a smartphone or tablet, the VOLTME data cable ensures a seamless and efficient charging experience. No more worrying about whether your cable will work with your device. Number 1. ORICO TBZ20 Data Cable. First and foremost, the build quality is exceptional. The nylon braided material feels durable and robust, ensuring that this cable can withstand daily wear and tear. The connectors are solid and secure, and I appreciate the 90-degree Type-C to Type-C design, which makes it convenient to use, especially when connecting to devices in tight spaces. The ORICO TBZ20 cable boasts Thunderbolt 4 compatibility, making it a versatile choice for various devices. I tested it with my MacBook, iPad, Android smartphone, and even my gaming console PS5, and it worked flawlessly with all of them. This wide compatibility ensures that I can use this cable for multiple devices without needing a separate cable for each. One standout feature of this cable is its 100W power delivery capability. It's not just a data cable, it's also a powerful charger. I used it to charge my MacBook, and it delivered a fast and efficient charge, which is a huge convenience for someone constantly on the go. The quick charging feature is a game changer, especially when I'm in a hurry. Thanks for watching this video.